Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to feel like a kid again? Then you're gonna love these Pop-Tart Bites. These are so good. I really love these. When I was a kid, I ate a lot of frosted strawberry Pop-Tarts, and these are total nostalgia, and they're in this little portable snack size bag. So these are miniature Pop-Tarts, and this is strawberry, but you can get them in other flavors, and they're just such a fun little snack. And I love that they come in these individually wrapped packages, so you can just take them with you on the go when you want a little sweet treat. They have a little bit higher pastry ratio to the filling than a normal Pop-Tart, which I absolutely love because I am like a pie crust fanatic. So to me, these are awesome and they are just a fun little snack. So if you also love Pop-Tarts, then you're going to love these Pop-Tarts Bites. You can take them with you as a little snack and you're gonna be happy about it. And that's my point of view.